Meaning of hammerhead.
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 Hammerhead. The term hammerhead can refer to different things, depending on the context in which it is used. However, the most common use of the word is to describe a type of shark with a distinctive head shape that resembles a hammer, hence the name. Hammerhead sharks are known for their exceptional senses and ability to detect prey, making them formidable hunters. In addition, they play an important role in maintaining the balance of ocean ecosystems. Overall, hammerhead is a word that evokes images of one of nature's most fascinating creatures.